Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we make your beauty and wellness choices a little easier and a lot more informed. If you've ever struggled with traditional flossing, avoiding plaque buildup, or keeping your gums healthy, I totally get it. It can feel like a chore, but today we're looking at something designed to make oral care effortless and even a little satisfying. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a tip that could upgrade your routine. This is the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser in sleek black, model WP-662, paired with a handy tip storage case that includes 6 replacement flossing tips. It's an electric, countertop professional oral irrigator aimed at giving you a deep, precise clean with minimal fuss. With its advanced features, it's designed for anyone who wants a dentist-level clean right at home. Right off the bat, this flosser comes with 10 adjustable pressure settings, letting you tailor the water stream from gentle to robust depending on your sensitivity or mood. There's also a massage mode for stimulating your gums and a built-in timer pacer that briefly pauses at 30 seconds and 1 minute, keeping your flossing time consistent and effective. The reservoir is generous, holding enough water for over 90 seconds of continuous use. No constant refills necessary. The flossing wand is small, maneuverable, and features a convenient on-off switch directly on the handle, which makes reaching those back teeth a breeze. Now, in terms of performance, I put this to the test over multiple mornings and evenings. Using the PrecisionPulse technology, it combines water pressure with pulsations to remove up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria in treated areas. My experience? It's incredibly satisfying to feel the water targeting stubborn spots between teeth and along the gum line. I particularly appreciated how the device handled different angles. Back molars are usually a challenge with traditional floss, but this flosser makes them easy to reach. The tip storage case is also a game changer. It keeps all 6 replacement tips, Precision, Orthodontic, and Plaque Seeker, organized and hygienic, which is perfect if you share it with family or want to swap tips for different needs. Of course, no product is perfect. While the flosser is quiet compared to older models, it's still slightly louder than a typical toothbrush, which might be a consideration if you're sensitive to noise. The reservoir, while large, is made of plastic, so careful handling is needed to avoid cracks over time. Overall, usability and cleaning are simple, especially since the reservoir is top-rack dishwasher safe. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. Pros: 10 adjustable pressure settings plus massage mode, built-in timer pacer for consistent flossing, large 22-ounce reservoir, dishwasher safe, maneuverable wand with easy water on-off switch, 360-degree tip rotation and hygienic tip storage case. Dentist recommended, ADA accepted. Cons: slightly louder than a standard toothbrush, reservoir is plastic and requires careful handling. Countertop footprint may be large for small bathrooms. When it comes to value, the Waterpik Aquarius is definitely a premium option, but it's justified by its comprehensive features, durability, and effectiveness. Compared to basic water flossers or string floss, this model delivers a superior clean and convenience that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are smaller Waterpik models or other brand flossers that offer fewer settings and a smaller reservoir, but they won't give quite the same dentist-grade experience. Build quality is solid, the flosser feels sturdy, and the tips are genuine Waterpik replacements ensuring compatibility and performance. With proper care, it should last several years, and it comes with a 3-year limited manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. If you're finding this review helpful so far, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Waterpik is generally known for responsive service and honoring warranties, so you can feel confident reaching out if needed. In summary, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser delivers a customizable, thorough clean with thoughtful design elements like tip rotation and a storage case. It's best for anyone serious about oral hygiene, particularly those who struggle with traditional flossing. While slightly on the higher end price-wise, its effectiveness and ease of use make it worth the investment. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. Don't forget to check the comments or description box for the purchase link. If you've already tried this flosser, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.